Hi guys, today I am explaining about limits which are useful for your upcoming mains exam with examples. The first example is limit x tends to 1 cube root x square minus 2 into cube root x plus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. The options are like this. Now I am explaining this one. Generally we are doing these sums by Al-Hospital rule, but here I am explaining in another way. For that one I am taking cube root of x as y. If x tends to 1, y also tends to 1. So this becomes limit y tends to 1, y square minus 2y plus 1 by cube root of x equal to y, then x becomes y cube minus 1 whole square. That equal to limit y tends to 1. By observing numerator, this is in the form of a minus b whole square. That's why I am writing this numerator as y minus 1 whole square by observing denominator, this is in the form of a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. That's why it becomes y minus 1 into y square plus y plus 1. Here whole square is there na? That's why we have to write square here. These two are cancelled. By substituting 1 here, 1 by 1 plus 1 whole square. This is 1 by 9. That's why option A is right. Now we are going into another example. Limit n tends to infinity 7 by 10 plus 29 by 10 square plus 133 by 10 cube plus so on plus 5 to the power of n plus 2 to the power of n by 10 to the power of n. We have to find the value of this one. The options are like that. Now by observing these one, 7 is in the form of 5 plus 2. 5 to the power of 1 plus 2 to the power of 1. 29 is in the form of 5 square plus 2 square. 133 in the form of 5 cube plus 2 cube. So I want to write this one as limit n tends to infinity sigma n equal to 1 to r equal to 1 to n 5 to the power of r plus 2 to the power of r by 10 to the power of r. That equal to limit n tends to infinity sigma r equal to 1 to n. By splitting this one, 5 by 10 whole to the power of r plus 2 by 10 whole to the power of r. That equal to limit n tends to infinity sigma r equal to 1 to n. 5 by 10 that is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole to the power of r plus sigma r equal to 1 to n 1 by 5 whole to the power of r. That equal to limit n tends to infinity. By putting r equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n, this is in GP containing n terms. The sum of n terms in GP is a into 1 minus r to the power of n by 1 minus r. This is also in GP. A into 1 minus r to the power of n by 1 minus r. That equal to limit n tends to infinity. This is 1 by 2. These two are cancelled. 1 minus 1 by 2 whole to the power of n. This is 4 by 5. These 5 and 5 are cancelled. Plus 1 by 4 into 1 minus 1 by 5 whole to the power of n. Now by applying limit value 1 by 2 in place of n have to write infinity. 1 by 2 whole to the power of infinity equal to 0. A to the power of infinity equal to 0 if 0 less than or equal to a less than 1. That's why this becomes 0 and this is also becomes 0. 1 plus 1 by 4, that equal to 5 by 4. The answer is C. Now we are going into third example. When the limit tends to 0, tan of integral part, this is integral part of minus pi square x square minus x square into tan of integral part of minus pi square by sin square x. So here first of all we have to know the value of pi square. Pi square equal to 9.87 something. Integral part of minus of pi square equal to integral part of minus 9.87, that is nothing but minus 10. So we are going to the sum. Limit tends to 0, tan integral part of minus pi square is minus 10x square, minus 10x square minus x square into tan integral part of minus pi square is minus 10 by sin square x, that equal to limit n tends to 0, tan of minus theta is minus tan theta, minus tan 10x square, this is minus tan theta, minus into minus plus x square tan 10 by, I want to multiply both numerator and denominator with x square into x square by sin square x, that equal to minus limit n tends to 0, tan 10x square, limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, tan x square by x square plus limit x tends to 0, tan 10, here both x square are cancelled, into limit x tends to 0, x square by sin square x, that equal to limit x tends to 0, tan ax by x is nothing but a, this becomes 10 minus 10, here it doesn't contain x, that's why directly we will write this one as tan 10 into this value becomes 1, that's why tan 10 minus 10 is the right answer. That's why we are going into another example, that is limit x tends to 0, integral part of 100x by sin x plus integral part of 99 sin x by x. We know that limit x tends to 0, sin x by x tends to 1 minus, and limit x tends to 0, x by sin x tends to 1 plus. By using this one, limit x tends to 0, integral part of x by limit x tends to 0, x by sin x tends to 1 plus. 1 plus is nothing but 1.00001 something like that. By multiplying with 100, we are getting 100 point something. So x by sin x plus integral part of 99 into sin x by x. By applying the value here, this is nothing but 1 plus, that means 1.001 something. 100 into 1.001 is nothing but 100.0001 something. So integral part of 100 point something becomes 100, and limit x tends to 0, sin x by x tends to 1 minus. 1 minus is nothing but 0.9999 like that. By multiplying with 99, we are getting 98 point something. Integral part of 98 point something is nothing but 98. By adding these two, we are getting 198. Finally, the answer is 1. We are going into one more example. Limit n tends to infinity. Pi of r equal to 3 to n, r cube minus 1 by r cube plus 1. Pi in the sense product. First of all, I want to write this one as limit n tends to infinity. Pi r equal to 3 to n, r cube minus 1, that is in the form of a cube minus b cube. Already we used the formula a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square by, this is a cube plus b cube, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So that equal to limit n tends to infinity. Now I want to substitute the values r equal to 3, 4 up to n in these two. First of all, I want to apply in these two. After that, in this one. By substituting 3 here, 2 by 4 into. By substituting 4, 3 by 5 into. By substituting 5, 4 by 6 into. So on. By substituting n minus 1 by n plus 1, or n minus 1 by substituting n minus 1, n minus 2 by n into, after that by substituting n minus 1 by n plus 1 into, by substituting the values r equal to 3 to n here, by substituting 3 here, we are getting 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. How much? 12. 12 plus 1. 13. By here 9 minus 3. 6. 6 plus 1. 7. Into. By substituting 4 here. 16 plus 4. 20. 21. By 16 minus 4. 12. 12 plus 1. 13. Into so on. Into n square plus n plus 1 by n square minus n plus 1. Now all these terms are cancelled. We are getting numerator 2 terms and in the denominator 2 terms in the first one. In the second one also all these terms are cancelled. We are getting this one in the numerator and 7 in the denominator. So that equal to limit n tends to infinity. 2 into 3, 6 by 7 into n square plus n plus 1 by n into n plus 1. That equal to 6 by 7 into limit n tends to infinity, n square plus n plus 1 by n square plus 1. Here in both the numerator and denominator powers are equal. If limit n tends to infinity and in the fraction both powers are equal, then we have to write the coefficients of highest powers. 1 and here also 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. 6 by 7 into 1, that equal to 6 by 7. So the answer is B. Now we are going into another example. Limit x tends to 0, cos x minus 1 plus x square by 2 by x to the power of 4. In these type of sums, we have to use the expansions for cos x. So limit x tends to 0, the expansion for cos x is 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x to the power of 4 by 4 factorial minus x to the power of 6 by 6 factorial plus so on, minus 1 plus x square by 2 by x to the power of 4. That equal to limit x tends to 0. this one minus 1 are cancelled and these two are cancelled. X to the power of 4 by 4 factorial minus x to the power of 6 by 6 factorial plus so on by x to the power of 4. That equal to limit x tends to 0. In the numerator I want to take x to the power of 4 as common. By taking x to the power of 4, we are getting 1 by 4 factorial is nothing but 24 minus x square by 6 factorial plus so on by x to the power of 4. X to the power of 4 and x to the power of 4 are cancelled. By applying x equal to 0 here, we are getting 1 by 24 is the answer. So the option is C.